Hi babes, if you don't know how to start with your skincare, you don't know how to layer your skincare, you don't know where to start from, or you don't even know the product to get when it comes to skincare products, these are the essential, affordable skincare products you should be using every morning. So keep on watching. So the first product you need to start with is a face wash to get rid of the dirt on your skin. So your skin type comes in play at this point, so you need to know what your skin type is. If you have oily skin, you need to use a foamy face wash. If you have a dry skin, you use an hydrating face wash. My face is damp, so I'm going to go ahead and start washing. You need to damp your face so you don't drag your skin, and also to give you a nice lather. So the part where you have the most concern, you want to make sure you concentrate the face wash on that part, and also where you oil the most. Don't wash your face inward like this. Take it outward like so. Give it like 1 minute before you wash it off. When you wash it off, your face will feel really clean, like really clean. So while your skin is still damp, you go ahead and use a vitamin C serum and your hyaluronic serum. If it is 2-in-1, you can do that. This is 2-in-1. It has vitamin C and hyaluronic serum. So the vitamin C helps to brighten your skin, protect it from sun damages, and the hyaluronic serum helps to pull in moisture and give you that plump skin. So you don't apply it directly on your face with the applicator. Apply it like this, pat it onto your skin. When you're applying this, you don't rub it like you do with your face cream. You tap it into the skin until it is well absorbed. Whatever you do on your face, don't always forget to extend it to your neck area and your ears. So if you have extreme oily skin and you don't like that extra glowy finishing or shiny effect on your skin, then you go for the gel one. You can see it looks plumpy, it looks hydrating, but it's not shiny. But this part here is shiny, is plumpy as well. Both will not clog your pores, provided you use a moisturizer that is for your skin type. It's not going to clog your pores, but the difference is one side is shiny and the other side is not shiny. So let me know which one you prefer in the comment section. The next product is going to be a sunscreen. Sunscreen will help to lock in all that you used and also protect your skin against any and every harmful rays. But that doesn't mean that you should go and face the sun outside. Just make sure you don't spend long time or you don't extend your stay outside under the sun. So sunscreen will protect your skin provided you use it every 2 to 2 hours, and try as much as possible to avoid the sun. Okay, so this is going to protect your skin, and also it will help lock in all the skincare products you used to stay in and work perfectly well on your skin. So how do you use a sunscreen? Is it 2-finger rules from here, excuse that one, to here. This is how to use a sunscreen, 2-finger rules. So this should be enough to cover your face and your neck. The last product you need for your morning skincare routine is a lip oil. You don't want to walk around with a dry lips, so you need to get a lip oil, and this oil is a DIY one. So if you are interested in how I make it, let me know in the comment section.